What do Cristiano Ronaldo, Oprah Winfrey, Tim Ferriss, and the CEO of the World Bank have in common? On the surface, not much, but there is one thing. Each of their coaches will be sharing their most powerful frameworks at our upcoming Holistic Coaching Summit this December. This is a revolutionary, free online event bringing together 40 of the world's leading pioneers in coaching who will share with you their exact strategies behind their unparalleled success. You'll be learning directly from Marshall Goldsmith, the world's #1 executive coach, Martha Beck, Oprah's life coach and a 6-time New York Times bestselling author, Todd Herman, the peak performance coach for Cristiano Ronaldo, Rafael Nadal and the late Kobe Bryant, Michael Bungay-Stanier, voted the world's #1 thought leader in coaching, Stephen Porges, the developer of polyvagal theory and author of 400 plus peer-reviewed papers, Gay Hendricks, best-selling author of The Big Leap and co-founder of the Hendricks Institute, Charlie Hone, the marketing genius behind Tim Ferriss's best-selling book launches, and more than 30 other leading pioneers in the space. Whether your priority is creating deep transformation for your clients, building a thriving oversubscribed practice, developing a sold-out group coaching program, or even launching a New York Times bestseller, we cover it all at the Holistic Coaching Summit, the mind, body, spirit, and business of coaching. So if you're serious about becoming the best coach you can be and want to learn directly from the same coaches trusted by the likes of Oprah and Ronaldo, this is a once-in-a-lifetime learning opportunity. The best bit is it's 100% free to attend live. Just head over to holisticcoachingsummit.com to claim your free pass or click any of the links below.